everyone, very good morning. So today our subject is English written, and today again we will do in this Creeper book. So first of all keep your Creeper book and open this page. Okay, page number 3535. So today we will do rhyming words, more rhyming words. Okay, so these are so many rhyming words. Here we have to give one word bank. Okay, so from here we have to write in this book, in this box. Okay, understood? See, write 3 words that sound alike. Same sounding, it means rhyming words. See, it's a end with a same letter. AT, here also AT, AT, AT. Understood? C-A-T cat, M-A-T mat, B-A-T bat, H-A-T hat. Okay, so we start from here. Okay, because we have to write, we have to search from here and then write here. So we start from here. See, first of all, what is this? What is this? R-A-G, rag. Which word? A-G word. A-G word. Here you can see, where is A-G? This one, A-G. So you have to write here R-A-G, rag. Okay. Then after, see. Next one is F-O-G. This is O-G word. Where is O-G word? Here. See, O-G. So here you have to write F-O-G, fog. Understood? It is very easy. See, third one is M-U-G. M-U-G. U-G word. Where is U-G word? Here. Okay. So you have to write here M-U-G. Understood? Okay. Next one is B-A-T. See, 80 words. See, already 80, B-A-T bat already is here. Understood? Okay. Then next one is H-U-G. That means U-G. Where is U-G words? Here. U-G. So here you have to write H-U-G. W-E-T. E-T words. Where it is? Here. E-T. W-E-T. Wet. Okay. Then after H-E-N. E-N. E-N. H-E-N. Hen. Okay. Then after B-U-N. U-N. U-N. F-U-N. B-U-N. P-O-T. O-T. Where is O-T words? Can you find out? Here. O-T. P-O-T. Pot. Okay. Then S-U-N. U-N. S-U-N. M-A-N. A-N. R-A-N. Then M-A-N. T-E-N. Tan. E-N. Where is E-N? Here. T-E-N. Tan. Okay. B-U-G. Bug. Here. U-G. B-U-G. G-O-T. O-T. Where is O-T? Here. G-O-T. T-I-P. Tip. I-P. Where is IP? Here. TIP, tip. Then DOG, dog. DOG, dog. WIN, win. Where is IN? Here. WIN, win. RUN, run. UN. RUN, run. HOT. Where is OT? Here. HOT. SIP. SIP. Where is IP? Here. SIP. SIP. Understood? Then TAG, tag. Where is TAG, tag? AG words? Here. So here we have to write TAG, tag. Then LIP. Where is IP? Here. IP. LIP, lip. WIG. IG. Where is IG? Here. WIG. IG. Then FAN. AN. Where is AN word? Here. FAN. Then FIN. Where is IN word? Can you find out? IN. Here. FIN. Fin. MET. Mat. Where is MET? JOG. Where is OG? Here. BIG. Where is IG? Here. DEN. EN. Where is EN words? Here. DIG. IG words. Here. DIG, dig. JET, jet. Where is ET word? Here. JET, jet. HAT, hat. Is already here. HAT, hat. Then MAT, mat. MAT, mat is also here. Then after WAG. AG words. Here. WAG. PIN. Pin. IN. Here. Then after CAN. AN. CAN. Okay. So like this way you have to complete this full. Okay. You have to start from here one by one and then finish full. First of all you have to see here last word, last two letter. Okay. AG words, so you have to write in AG columns. Okay. Then after OG, like this way you have to complete this full page. It is your homework. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.